Hello, in today's tutorial, someone requested I show you how to do the half hexagons. This also is not my pattern. This pattern is from Mima Makes, so I will leave a link to her channel down in the description. So let's get started. You're going to need a yellow, a white, and whatever color you're using for the hexagons, just like before, and your 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Also, unlike her patterns, I'm using a worsted weight where she used a DK weight. So if you want to use a DK weight yarn, go check out her pattern to make sure you're using the right hook size. We're going to begin with our yellow, and we're going to make a magic circle. And you're going to chain 1. Next, you're going to make 4 single crochets into this magic circle. Next, we are going to pull this tail tight, but you are not going to slip stitch to this first stitch because it is half, so we're going to want a straight edge. So next, unlike the regular hexagons, we are not working in the round. So just chain 1 and turn your work and start in that very first single crochet and make 2 single crochets in each single crochet, doubling your stitch count to 8. All right, now we are going to cut our yellow and fasten off, and now we are going to join with our white. Instead of turning our work over, we're going to make sure we go back to the first stitch of this row and join to that one. Just pull up a loop and chain 4. Then we are going to make a treble crochet cluster like we did with the regular hexagons, which makes our petal, so yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next stitch, not the one you have your chain 4 into. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Don't pull through those last 2. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, and then pull through the last 3. So now we're going to chain 2. And we're going to go into the very next stitch, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. Insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 3, and there is your next petal. So you're going to chain 2 and repeat that all the way down your first row with your white. Now we have 1 stitch remaining. We're going to make a treble crochet in that last stitch. Now we're going to cut off our white yarn and attach to our hexagon color. You can cut your yarn and fasten off because we're just going to go back to the beginning of our row and we are going to join in between the chain 4 and the first petal. In this first space, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to make 2 double crochets in this very first space. Next, we have our chain 2 space. So we're going to work 3 double crochets into this chain 2 space. So if you haven't guessed already, we're just working into the chain 2 spaces of this row. In this next chain 2 space, we're going to make a corner space. So 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets all into that same space. In our next space, we're going to make 3 double crochets, and you are not chaining between these spaces. In our next chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, because that is our final corner. Because we are making a half hexagon, the positioning of the corners is a little bit different than the whole hexagon. In our next space, 3 double crochets. And in this final space between our last petal and our treble crochet, you're going to make 2 double crochets. And there's our first round complete. So we are going to continue with the pink for 3 more rows. You are going to chain 1 and turn your work. You're going to put 2 double crochets in this very first stitch. So this time we're not working into the spaces, we're working into the individual stitches, and then we will be working in these chain 2 spaces. So work 1 double crochet into your next stitch, and work 1 double crochet into each stitch till you get to your corner, which is your chain 2. Now that you've done a double crochet in each stitch to your corner, in your corner you're just going to put 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. Then you're going to make a double crochet in each stitch till you get to your next corner. I'm at my next corner, so 1 double crochet in that chain 2 space, chain 2 and another double crochet. Then you're going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch, and in that last stitch put 2 double crochets. The reason we're increasing on the edges is so we have a straight edge all the way across. In that last stitch, 2 double crochets. Now we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Make 2 double crochets in that first stitch, and in every stitch make 1 double crochet till you get to your corner. My corner, we're going to repeat the same thing from before. 1 double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet, and we're going to repeat this. So we're going to double crochet in every stitch till we get to our corner. In our corner, we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet in each stitch going down this line, and then 2 in your last. So I finished another row, and we're just going to repeat the same thing one more time. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work, You're going to put 2 double crochets in that first stitch, double crochet all the way to get to your corner. In your corner, you're going to put 1 double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. And then you're going to make 1 double crochet all the way down to get to your next corner. Then 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet all the way down, and 2 double crochets in that last stitch. Repeat that for this entire row, and then we are going to finish off with 1 more row in your white. So at the end of this last pink row, I will show you what we are going to do for our row in white. So now I have finished my 4 rows of pink, and we are going, here is where I fastened off with my pink. I'm going to go back to the beginning of this 4th row, and I'm going to join with my white to my first double crochet. Put 1 single crochet in that very first stitch, and then put another single crochet in that very same stitch. Now we're going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch till we get to our corner space. In our corner space, make 3 single crochets, then put 1 single crochet in each stitch till you get to your next corner. In your corner, put 3 single crochets, and then a single crochet all the way down your next side, and 2 single crochets in that last stitch. Now you can cut your yarn and fasten off and weave in all those ends. And if you guys have any crochet related questions, it doesn't even have to be about this pattern, make sure to drop them down below. I love hearing from you all. If you liked this tutorial, go check out my full hexagon pattern. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.